Hey traders, welcome back to A Couple Mil, where the goal is simple. Get to a couple mil with smart trading strategies. In today's video, I'll walk you through setting up the key indicators you need to achieve profitable trades. If you're ready to step up your game, stick around because this strategy is a game changer. Let's dive right in. Indicator 1, EMA, Exponential Moving Average. The first and most important setup is the EMA. Two of them, to be exact. Here's how you set it up. Open TradingView and add the EMA indicator twice. Adjust the first EMA to a length of 50 and change its color to yellow. Set the second EMA to a length of 200 and make it blue. Now here's the magic. When the yellow EMA 50 crosses below the blue EMA 200, it signals a potential downtrend. When the yellow EMA 50 crosses above the blue EMA 200, it signals a potential uptrend. This simple crossover strategy is incredibly reliable, especially when paired with other indicators. Go ahead and backtest it on your charts. You'll see its accuracy holds up in 80% to 90% of cases, sometimes even higher when stacked with other tools. Indicator 2. Stochastic RSI. Next up is the Stochastic RSI. This one is perfect for pinpointing overbought and oversold conditions. Here's how you set it up. Add the Stochastic RSI indicator to your chart. Keep the default settings for simplicity or tweak them based on your trading style. Look for crossovers on the indicator. When the lines cross above the 80 level, the market is likely overbought, potential for a reversal down. When they cross below the 20 level, the market is likely oversold, potential for a reversal up. The Stochastic RSI pairs beautifully with the EMA strategy to help confirm your entries and exits, making it even more accurate. Indicator 3, 24-hour volume. Finally, let's talk about the 24-hour volume indicator, a must-have for scalping and day trading. Here's how to set it up and customize it. Add the 24-hour volume indicator from the TradingView library. Go into the settings and adjust the parameters to focus on specific volume levels that suit your trading style. Why is this important? Volume shows you the strength behind a move. High volume at key EMA crossovers or near overbought, oversold stochastic RSI levels adds confirmation to your trades. This stacking of indicators gives you a complete picture of the market and sets you up for profitable trades. So there you have it. 3 powerful indicators to help you crush your trading goals: the 5200 EMA crossover, the Stochastic RSI, and the 24-hour volume indicator. These tools work together to boost your accuracy and help you trade like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and check the links below for some free crypto to get started. Let's secure this bag and get to this money. Comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay profitable and stay focused. Peace.